Welcome to Measurement Minutes. Imagine you're all set to run production throughout the entire night and into the weekend, and then, out of nowhere, your plant or machinery stops working unexpectedly because the batteries in your touch probe have run out. Quite annoying, but easily avoidable. And how? I will explain to you now using these 3 clear signs. Sign number 1 would be an operator message on the control unit. The machine continues to run, but I am already receiving a low battery message. Sign number 2 is, using our radio receiver as an example, we can see our LEDs below. The outermost LED represents a tiny battery icon here. If this LED lights up in red, it would indicate that the battery is running low. If it lights up in green, then everything is perfectly fine. The third sign can be observed directly on your touch probe. So, we have status LEDs positioned all around here. If you switch on the probe and notice that it blinks green, then everything is perfectly all right. If the LED blinks alternately green then blue, you know for sure that your battery is low. To keep producing without worry, we'll change the batteries now. Thank you. All that you really need is a 2.5mm Allen key. Depending on your touch system, you either have the 1/2 AA batteries or the AA batteries with 3.6 volts each. The small batteries have 1200 mAh and the large ones have 2600 mAh. As you can see, these are not standard household batteries. You can obtain these from specialized electrical retailers or directly from us. Make sure that your probe is dry and clean beforehand so that no dirt gets inside as soon as we open the cover. Once the screws have been loosened, we are able to proceed with removing the battery cover and taking out the batteries. While you're at it, take a moment to conduct a brief visual inspection and a careful examination of the sealing ring and replace it with a new one if needed. You can clearly see on the side of the device how the new batteries are supposed to be correctly inserted into their respective slots. After we've carefully placed the batteries inside and securely fastened the lid on, the probe begins flashing through its different settings sequentially. It is really important to pay close attention to observing the final setting. This last setting is specifically designed to indicate the status of the batteries, and this lights up blue-green. Once the blink sequence has fully finished, the probe will turn itself off again, and you will be able to proceed with your tasks just as you usually would. This is exactly how you proceed with all other wireless measuring systems from Bloom. I would suggest you get back to your tasks, but be sure to leave a like before you do. Until next time, stay process safe.